Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So, 8 people have been killed in Westmoreland. And if you guys don't know anything, I am from Westmoreland. We recently just came back from Jamaica and we went to Westmoreland. So, this is very off-putting because when we went, there wasn't much of anything going on. Not even an argument we didn't see, actually. So it says 8 persons have been left dead in the wake of 5 separate attacks starting Monday afternoon and lasting up to Tuesday morning that were mounted by trigger-happy gunmen across the parish of Westmoreland. The police says the killings took place in the communities of Savannah Lamar, Alma, Betheltown, and Williamsfield in the parish. The killing started about 1 p.m. on Monday when 18-year-old Eric Clark of Cook Street in Savannah Lamar was gunned down in his community. Later that day, 3 men, including 2 from Hanover, were killed when gunmen sprayed a group of patrons at a bar in Williamsfield. 5 other persons reportedly suffered gunshot wounds in that attack. The deceased have been identified as 34-year-old Corey Parkinson of Cascade, Hanover, 23-year-old Corinne Birch of Woodsville, Hanover, and 21-year-old Jamar Warren of Grange District in Westmoreland. Reports are that about 11 p.m., gunmen exited a motor car and opened fire on patrons at the bar before making their escape. The police were summoned, and on their arrival, 8 persons were found suffering from gunshot wounds. Parkinson's, Birch, and Warren were pronounced dead at the hospital, while the other victims, 3 men, 2 women, were admitted for treatment. The details of the 3 other fatal gun attacks, including a second in Savannah Lamar, were not available up to publication time, but the incident have been confirmed by police on the ground. The police indicated that the killings were all committed outside of traditional crime hotspots in the parish. Following the murderous rampage, members of the Jamaica Defense Force and heavy detachment of police have been deployed in sections of the parish. In May last year, 7 persons, including a 2-year-old child, were killed in a series of vicious gun attacks in the Grangeville area of Westmoreland that later led to a major focus on the parish crime problem back then. And again, we start the year off with people being murdered left and right. Westmoreland used to be one of those country places that nobody went to. Nobody wanted anything to do with Westmoreland because they classified it as country. And now we're seeing Westmoreland having more or almost the same amount of crime as other parishes like Kingston, which used to be like the mecca of murders. And it's very disheartening because that's where I grew up. That's where I was born and raised. To see our people like killing each other is very sad. It's very, very sad. And most of the time when they're killing off each other, they're not killing each other for anything of substance. They're killing off each other for foolishness, quite honestly. But condolence goes to everybody that lost somebody in this gun attack, and condolence goes to everybody that friends, family, well-wishers, condolence goes out to you. And for everybody else that was injured, I hope you guys have a speedy recovery. And my grandparents used to say, show me your company, I see who you are. A lot of times some people don't have anything to do with what's going on, and they end up in the crossfires of stuff like this. Be very careful and be mindful of who you're around, who you're keeping company with, and who you classify as friends, because a lot of time those same people can get you into trouble. Anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.